People should intern at ASA to receive amazing benefits, support, and anything else you need. I think my internship has really taught me a lot about the business world and given me a head start to something that maybe I couldn't have gotten if I didn't decide to intern with ASA.
People should absolutely intern at Asian Student Achievement because there's only so much that you can learn from school and from doing personal research, but from actually being in a professional setting, I'm able to gain more insight onto things that I wouldn't have ever considered before. I recently attended with our team a speaking engagement about networking, and even though I'm a part of the team, there was so much that I learned just from being there, and I think it's a very helpful experience not only to hone your skills but to gain more insight about the other fields that are within the organization.